Welcome to the T&A Oyster Farm in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I'm here with the owners and my parents, Todd and Alice. We're on a small town of East Stennis, and we're on a 1 acre plot of land here. It's tidal, so right now we can work on it when it's low tide, and then as the tide comes in, you can see in this river will be the first area to fill. So once the tide comes in, this will all be underwater, 6-7 feet. So we start off with a spat, basically a baby oyster, and then 3 years later, they grow into size about this size, about 3 inches, ready to be sold on the market. So I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough and tour of the T&A Oyster Farm. So what we're doing today is cleaning up some of the oysters. They have some barnacles on them, and we use a cement mixer and tumble them, and that removes a lot of the barnacles before, just make them look a lot nicer. And then before they can be eaten, they got to be put back out in the oyster grant. So these will sit here again for another few days at least. Now we're taking these to go rinse them out. They just came out of the tumbler. The trays are separated by these little dividers here. That's what separates them. Just 2 trays. This is a really small farm. What is it, 10,000 oysters now?
Less than that, probably about 7,000 maybe.
So 7,000 oysters. Look around, you can see some of the much larger commercial operations going on here. Some of them are millions of oysters. Some more of the things we have to do is sort out the dead ones. See, like for example right here, the guy's already open, something got to him, just toss it out. So we'll see what a oyster looks like right off the grant here. Pry it open. Cut it, and then a little flip is nice. Keep the broth in there. A little bit salty.
Briny.
Briny. I think they're much better when they've been iced down. A little bit of cocktail's nice. But when they're not cool and they're right out of the off the grant, they're pretty salty, pretty briny.